Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the issue if you can't sign into Cash App. So not being able to sign into Cash App can be super frustrating, especially if you need to send or receive money like very fast and urgently, but knowing how to troubleshoot and fix login issues can save you time and overall a bunch of stress. This video is going to be perfect for anyone experiencing login problems with Cash App, whether due to forgotten credentials, device issues, or security blocks. This video is going to be short, simple, and straight to the point, so make sure to stick around all the way to the end to learn how to fix login issues on Cash App. So first thing is first, you're going to want to locate your Cash app. Now, there's a couple ways you can do this. You can scroll down, type in Cash App, or you can just go and find it. Mine is right there. Now, if you haven't already deleted Cash App, be sure to do this. Just give it a fresh restart. And if you don't know how to delete Cash App, hold down on the app and then you'll see remove app. Just click that and you'll be able to remove Cash App. But since we just did that before the video, we'll just jump right in. But again, if you haven't done that, be sure to do that. So we'll click on Cash App, wait for it to load up, and we'll be greeted with two options. Now, option number one is going to be the phone number. Now, we can also use the email. Now, if you're having trouble with one, try the other. So what I mean by this is, say I'm having trouble logging in with my phone number. Well, I'll try and log in with my email. And of course, if that doesn't work, I'll try the other one, of course. Now, if this doesn't work, there is still hope. I'll meet you guys in the settings to show you the next steps. Okay, so once you're in your settings, you're gonna go all the way down to apps. And then when you're in apps, just go ahead and type in Cash App. Load up the Cash App settings, and you're gonna want to scroll down just a little bit to advanced. Now, advanced will probably be the last thing on your page. Click on advanced, and then you want to tick this option, erase all data on the next launch. And now this will fix your problem. And yeah, so that's really all there is to it. So now that we got the tutorial out of the way, here are some important tips that you can consider. Tip number one is to ensure you have a stable internet connection through this whole process. Tip number two is to double check your login credentials for any typos. The third tip is if you've changed your phone number or email, use the most recent one linked to your account. My fourth tip is try reinstalling the app or clearing cache data if the issue persists. My fifth and final tip is contact Cash App support if you're locked out due to security reasons. Yeah, with the tutorial and the tips out of the way, that's really all I have for you today. If you did find this tutorial helpful, please be sure to drop a like on this video. Also, be sure to share this video with a family member, a friend, or anyone you think that this video will be helpful to. But most importantly, be sure to subscribe to this channel for more future tutorials. And with all that said, I hope you guys have a great day and peace out.